Okay, so I bought this Cargoloc crossbar system for my 2017 Jeep Cherokee. This was by far the cheapest on Amazon at the time, $37, and the best I could find after that at one point was $100, but that product got taken down and now it's $200 for the next best product. So anyway, Cargoloc. Problem is, I really like the design. It fits perfect. The problem is when you put it on your Jeep or whatever car you're driving and you drive at speed, let's say about 50 miles an hour, it starts to make a horrible whistling sound and it's just really, really noisy. And I think it's because of this rail system, which is designed to make it, this could slide back and make it fit just about any car. The problem is it has this rail system and this aluminum rail that has a notch cut into it, and I think as wind blows across this, it literally acts like a whistle. And look at an old school whistle if you want to know what I mean, but it is, that's how it's shaped. So what I'm going to try to do to hack this is I'm going to close up this whole rail, this notch, to try to stop that whistling noise. Hopefully this will fix the problem. The way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to use this aluminum tape, which has a really good adhesive. I bought this at Home Depot actually years ago. I've done dozens of projects with it. I'm going to cut it. This is 2-inch tape. I'm going to cut it right down the middle. And here's one example of what I've already done. It will look pretty good once it's face down on the car and no one really can see it. And it should stop the wind from blowing into that notch and making that whistle noise. Alright, so here's the final product. The entire rail's been taped up with aluminum tape. I used some rubber bands there to make sure that these slides, the locking mechanism doesn't slide back as you turn the rail. They'll rip the tape, so put some rubber bands there, and then you can see where I have the gap there. I drew some pencil lines there to mark where on the car I wanted the tape to stop. So hopefully when I put this back on the Jeep, when I drive at speed on the freeway, there'll be no more whistling noise. I'm already convinced the tape, I know the tape well, it's got a great adhesive, it's waterproof, it should last up there. I doubt the water or elements or wind will affect it. It should be fine. I'll let you know. Alright, I got the Cargoloc crossbars on the Jeep Cherokee with the aluminum tape on the bottom of the rail to stop the wind from blowing in and causing that whistling noise. Just took it on the I-35, hit about 75 miles an hour and no whistling noise. They look good, they're cheap, a little added tape, problem solved, save some money, have a good product. Going kayaking next weekend.